listen to me. If we can all be calm, if we have to come back out here, everybody's going to jail for stupid stuff. Listen to me. Well, look, can we all calm down?
I ain't doing it.
So all calm down, get back to the vehicle, and let's just not talk to each other. If y'all, we don't
I've been trying that, sir.
because we can't be doing this with all the stuff that's going on. Because I get it. Whatever y'all do, go to the next town, whatever. But right now, we gotta get y'all. I don't know. I'm sure there is. There's probably a bus station. There's a couple good towns. I don't know, but right now, this situation right now, I want y'all to just sit in there. Y'all can talk, but I don't want you to talk to them, and I don't want y'all to talk to her. I know it's gonna be hard. Y'all might try.
What's your name, sir?
Trooper Moore, Louisiana State Police. Trooper Moore.
Thank you.
Because right now, I want y'all to be safe. That is the most important thing, okay? That means I can't stress that much.
No, she get out there. I'm telling you right now. There's no law that says she's staying in my car. She's getting out of the fucking car. When I tell her she's out, she's out. That's how it happens. It's my shit. It's not your shit.
Can we do it to where if she doesn't mess with y'all, are you okay with that? Well, listen, if she doesn't mess
I
with
feel
y'all,
like I really
sir,
hurt her.
I'm trying to talk to you. If you're okay to not talk to me, are you okay with that? Y'all just sit in the back seat and don't say anything. Because we can't keep coming back out here.
I know.
We're stretched in trying to help
But
people.
unfortunately, with them,
There's literally, we're pulling people off this interstate because they're stranded. Kids and everything. And that's what we need to focus on.
I understand that.
For just a few minutes till y'all get to the next town. Just
Like I was telling you, sir.
Okay? If we're cool with that, let's try and work that out.
She just said, why would you keep wasting their time?
Okay, ma'am.
She gets upset. Listen,
ma'am,
can I talk to you?
I understand too. I heard what she said. Just get in the
But
back seat. Y'all get in y'all seats and not say
She be lying so much, sir. She will tell one side just to make me look a certain type of
Look
way.
at me. Just
He
don't
gets
sit.
witness with her.
Just
They already
don't
said,
talk to
oh, it's both of us.
Okay,
You
well,
get what I'm saying?
Don't talk to them. Don't talk to them. We gotta be